Hi guys, welcome to my channel Liz Korean class. And we had learned Korean consonants last time, so you haven't watched it yet, please go to this link and to watch that video first. And we are gonna learn Korean vowels today. Are you ready? Let's get started. There are 19 consonants and 21 vowels. We've learned consonants already, and we are gonna learn Korean vowels today. If you want to make a syllable, you need at least one consonant and one vowel. So, we need to know at least one consonant to make it easy to learn Korean vowels. Let me see this consonant. This one has two sounds, ng sound and silence. But you don't have to carry ng sound this time because this consonant has no sound in all syllables we are going to see today. If you want to know about the rules more, please go to watch the prior video called Korean Alphabet Part 1 Consonants. Look at this syllable. This consonant has no sound and this vowel has a sound. So this syllable sounds like ah, ah. Now we are ready to learn vowels.
A, A, O, 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 U, U, Ü, Ü, I, I, E, 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 E.
I'll give you some tip. The former two vowels have really similar pronunciations. Then, what is the difference between them? If you are a native English speaker, you will probably tell the differences easily because in English, two pronunciations are obviously different. But Korean today tends to not tell the differences between them, so you don't have to tell the differences as well. If you listen the exactly same pronunciation of them, it doesn't matter at all. When you see this vowel, you might think of some vowel we just learned. They look so similar, don't they? The only difference is that the lower vowel has one more stroke. In this case, you can add Y sound to the original sound. So the upper one sounds like ah, but the lower one sounds like ya. The same rule will work on following vowels we'll see.
Ya, Ya, Yo, 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 You, You, Ye, 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 Ye.
When it comes to pronunciation, Koreans today tend not to tell the differences between them, like these two vowels we've just learned. So you don't have to be careful that much to pronounce them differently. From now on, it will be helpful for you to know this rule. The vowels we'll see are combined by basic vowels. We call them vowel combinations. Look at this syllable. You can figure out this vowel is a combination of two basic vowels. The orange one sounds like o, and the purple one sounds like ah. Please try to pronounce them quickly, like wa, wa, wa,
Wa, Wa, Wo, Wo, We, 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 I,